Hello everyone, FG1. Today I'm gonna do some review of my work, my sculpting, the Rancor head. Last time I reviewed about my vinyl kit, the Rancor. Yeah, I got two sets of the vinyl kits, but the one kit, the head is missing, so I just made it myself with the sculpt. So this is the original one, vinyl part, vinyl, and this is the copied one. Yeah, I made it myself. Pretty good, eh? I love it. It's not exactly same, but it's okay. We all look different. Rancors all look different. Yeah, doesn't have to be same. Little whatever. Good job. Side view. Other side view. Very similar. That's fine. That's enough for me. So I'm gonna put this one on body like this. Rancor. I'm thinking of what I'm gonna use for the glue, because it's the head part is made of sculpt. It's baked, so a little bit heavier than the vinyl one. So if it drops, it breaks. So I wanna keep it very very strong, tight. I need glue. Yeah, strong glue. And there's some gap in between, so I need to fill them up with the glue or whatever that works. Rancor. Inside. So I sculpted with the sculpt and baked it in an oven, a small oven. Yeah. Nice, eh? I like it. Good enough for myself. Ear. The head. Okay. That's it for today. And I'm gonna do another review of the processing of Rancor. Thank you. Bye.